Friday morning, all in the month of May, a German ship was signaling way out there in the bay, with 20,000 rifles all ready for to land. But no answering signal did come from the Lonely Banna Strand. No signal answers from the shore, Sir Roger sadly said. No comrades here to meet me, alas, they must be dead. But I must do my duty, and at once I mean to land. In a small boat he rowed ashore to the Lonely Banna Strand. Now the RIC were hunting for Sir Roger high and low. They found him in McKenna's fort, said they, "Hey, you are our foe." Said he, "I'm Roger Casement, I've come to my native land. I mean to free my countrymen on the Lonely Banna Strand." They took Sir Roger prisoner and sailed for London town, and in the tower they laid him a traitor to the crown. Said he, "I am no traitor," but his trial he had to stand for bringing German rifles to the Lonely Banna Strand. 'Twas in an English prison yard they led him to his death. "I'm dying for my country," he said with his last breath. They buried him in British soil, far from his native land, and the wild waves sing his requiem on the Lonely Banna Strand. They took Sir Roger home again in the year of 65, and with his comrades of 16 in peace and tranquilize. His last fond wish it is fulfilled, to lie in his native land, and the wild waves roll in peace again on the Lonely Banna Strand.